Write a program that calculates n factorial divided by k factorial for a given values of n and k. So in comment line we will write that. We will declare a method factorial, and in that we will declare two variables k and n, where you are going to accept the values, and to calculate the factorial of k and n. So k fact, which is initialized with 1, and n fact, which is also initialized with 1, and we will print enter first number. So at console.writeLine, enter first number, and in k we will accept it. Then we will accept second number in n. After accepting, we will check the condition 1. This condition will check this condition. K should be greater than 1 and should be less than n. So we will check that condition. If k less than 1 or k greater than n, we will print first number should be greater than 1 and less than second number. So in console.writeLine we will print it. And else we will calculate the factorials. First we will calculate the factorial for k. So while k greater than 0, we will calculate k factorial. We will use k factorial into equal to k, which is similar to k factorial equal to k factorial into k. Similarly, we calculate factorial for n. So while n greater than 0, n fact equal into equal to n, which is similar to n fact equal to n fact into n. And after that we will print our equation. So console.writeLine, output for n factorial divided by k factorial is, that is n fact in k fact and n fact divided by k fact. To execute it, we press F5. If I enter first number is 3 and second number 2, it will display the message first number should be greater than 1 and less than second number. Again I will execute it. If I enter first number is 3 and second number is 4, it will give the output for n factorial by divided by k factorial is, factorial of 4 is 24 and factorial of 3 is 6. So 24 by 6 is 4.